In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access your archive stories here on Instagram. Before we dive into this video, if you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, because it does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Instagram content like this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Instagram and go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your page, and then select the three lines up in the top right corner. From the menu, under the section that says how to use Instagram, go ahead and select the archive button, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Now originally it is going to say something like post archive right here, but right after there's going to be a story archive, which you're going to want to go ahead and select. From here you're going to see every single one of your archive stories. The most recent ones are going to be at the bottom, and then obviously older ones are going to be towards the top. You just need to tap any story to go ahead and open it up. On top of that, you can tap more in the bottom right if you want to go ahead and save it to your phone. But that's it. That's how you can quickly get back your archive stories here on Instagram. It really is as simple as that, but if this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.